In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design your app or website on Base44 using templates or starting from scratch. We'll go through the entire process step by step, equipping you with the necessary skills to bring your digital project to life. First up, let's dive into the design phase. Base44 provides you with two versatile approaches. You can either choose from a wide array of templates or opt to create your design from the ground up. Templates are great for quickly setting up a framework with predefined layouts and components, making it easier to get started. However, if you have a unique vision that you want to bring to life, crafting your design from scratch offers complete creative freedom. Whichever path you choose, Base44's intuitive interface ensures smooth navigation and ease of use. Once you've settled on a design that meets your specifications and aesthetic preferences, the next crucial step is to test and preview it. Open your project in Google Chrome for a seamless preview experience. Chrome's developer tools can be especially useful here, allowing you to inspect, analyze, and adjust your project. Thorough testing is paramount to ensure that every interactive element works correctly and the user experience is optimized. Pay close attention to responsiveness, speed, and any potential glitches that might hinder the functionality of your app or website. Remember, your project should look and function perfectly on various screen sizes and devices. When you're satisfied with the design and performance, it's time to export your project. Base44 offers straightforward export options, allowing you to save your project in various formats, or, for more advanced users, connect it directly to publishing platforms. This flexibility means you can tailor your export to suit the needs of either an app store or a web hosting service. With your project's files in hand, the next step involves setting up your presence on a marketplace or app store. Registering developer accounts is a necessary step if you plan to distribute your app through popular platforms such as the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Each platform has its own set of guidelines and requirements for developer registration, so be sure to allocate enough time to complete these forms accurately and thoroughly. With your developer accounts ready, Base44 provides a detailed guide to help you through the process of publishing or submitting your app. This step-by-step guide simplifies the complex submission process, ensuring that every requirement is met and your app is successfully listed. Finally, once your app or website is live, it's time to promote it. Utilize the power of social media and search engine optimization to reach a wider audience. Engage potential users through eye-catching posts, informative content, and strategic keywords that enhance visibility. These promotional efforts will help in driving traffic and increasing user engagement. By following these steps, you can successfully bring your app or website to life, paving the way for its success in the digital marketplace.